Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for tuning in. My name is Ketki and I am Integrative Nutrition Health Coach. Currently I am working on many traditional Indian recipes. I tweak and modify these recipes to enhance their nutritional value. In this video I am making Baingan Bharta, which means grilled eggplant. This recipe is traditionally made in every part of India. It can be served as side dish or with bread or naan to eat like a dip or a spread. Eggplants and red bell peppers are very rich in fibers and loaded with tons of vitamins and minerals. Vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B3, B6, and minerals like iron, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus. All of these are very much needed for many different functions in our bodies, especially in current days to boost our immunity amidst this corona crisis. I have made the base of this dish very traditional way, but I have tried to bump up the protein content of this dish by adding some kidney beans or moong bean wadi. Moong bean wadi you can get in any Indian grocery store. Before I start making the base for this dish, I will roast these moong wadis with some oil till they become slight pink, then keep it aside. Now these wadis are almost ready. We can take them out and keep it aside and let it cool down, and let's get ready to make the seasoning. In this video you will see a different way of seasoning. Unlike traditional seasoning method, the oil here is not brought to the smoke point. As you see, I am roasting all the seasoning ingredients first, then I will turn off the gas and then add the oil, followed by onions. By this method, I will not damage the oil. When we use the traditional way of seasoning, we damage the oil to its molecular level and make it inflammatory. And also we make it nutritionally useless for our body. The damaged oil can cause cellular inflammation because when we bring the oil to the smoke point, it gets oxidized. Prolonged consumption of oxidized oil can lead to inflammation. This can be the root cause of many lifestyle-related diseases like cancer, diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular diseases, and many more. This recipe is also enriched with a lot of lycopene. Lycopene is a phytochemical that gives the tomatoes and red peppers its color. Lycopene boosts our immune system, protects our cells and DNA from damage, and reduces inflammation, helps regulate hormones. So it is really very helpful in many functions in our body. Research shows that simple act of cooking tomatoes can boost the amount of antioxidants like lycopene absorbed by the body, and overall antioxidants activity increases with that. Let this mixture of onion and tomato cook on slow heat. Meanwhile, we will get our grilled eggplant and red pepper ready. Remove the seeds of the red bell pepper and chop it very fine, either with knife or with the food processor. Likewise, we will also get ready the eggplant. It is okay if some of the eggplant seems a bit raw in the center, because we are going to cook it thoroughly after this. Add the chopped pepper and eggplant to the base gravy that is in process and mix it well. Cover the lid and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Here I have divided this gravy in half to show how you can use two different protein sources to make two different ways of grilled eggplant. After adding the kidney beans, again cover the lid and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. So here we are, our eggplant with kidney beans is ready. Now let's make the eggplant with moong wadi. To start with, take the remaining half of the eggplant base that we had removed and kept aside and add some water. Wadi absorbs lot of water, so to avoid dryness in our dish, we will water it up beforehand. Go. Your grilled eggplant with moong wadi is ready. Garnish it with freshly grated coconut and finely chopped cilantro and serve it with hot roti or rice. Enjoy!